everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. I'm an independent fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria. And I've been in business for over 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, starting a business, starting a clothing line, all things business, all things fashion. And sometimes, once in a while, I talk about my life. So like I said, I'm an independent fashion designer. I make my designs and I sell my designs right here in my store. And this is what I've done for the past several years. So over the last 12 years, I've been able to sell my designs to a wide range of women because I sell only women's clothing. And I've been able to sell my clothes to a number of women. And my knowledge of selling clothes to women over these number of years, I'm going to share with you today 5 reasons why people don't buy our products or whatever it is that we're selling. Because when you start a business, the main goal of starting a business is to make sales, to sell, to make money, to be able to grow the business and do other things as well. And when you have a business where you're not selling and you're not making sales, the business cannot grow. You can't do certain things that you want to do for the business and even for yourself as the business owner. So the business starts running at a loss and eventually you have to close down the business. Starting a business is a journey. It's a very fun journey, a very happy journey most of the time because it's like starting something from scratch, starting or giving birth to this new thing that you cherish and adore, and you want to nurture it and you want it to grow. And sales is like literally the thing that grows any business. Also, when a business is not making sales, it has not enough customers or no customers, is also a source of frustration for the business owner as well. It now becomes a dying business. So if you're in a business and you feel like you don't have enough customers or people are not really buying from you the way you would want to, then you want to listen to some of the things that I have to say in this video. So the first reason why people are not buying what you're selling to them is they don't have clarity about what you're selling. So I'm going to use my background, which is clothes. I sell African-inspired clothing. So there are different kinds of clothing. I sell clothing for women. There are different types of clothing for women, clothing for men, clothing for kids. There is no clarity as to what kind of clothing that you are selling if you are selling clothes. And if you're not selling clothes, if you're selling something entirely different, there is no clarity for people to know what exactly it is you're selling. So you find people who start businesses and they are selling X, Y, and Z. People don't necessarily know you for this particular thing that you are selling. They just have ideas in their mind that you sell this and you sell this. So they're not really sure. But when you are able to communicate with your customers or your potential customers that this is what you do and this is the main focus of your business, then people have a lot more clarity. After you have established the reason for this business, what exactly this business does and what you have to offer to its customers, then you can start having some little things on the side. But it shouldn't be too much. And what do I mean by little things on the side? Let's take, for example, a business that sells handbags or bags in general. You want people or you want your customers, your potential customers to know you for selling bags. Bags for women, bags for men. When people see your business, when people come in contact with your business, they know that what you are all about is bags. When this has been established, if you now decide that you want to start selling shoes on the side, because shoes complements bags, then there's no problem with that, then you go along. But if you're selling shoes, you're selling bags, you're selling some other bunch of different things along with it, or probably you have an electronic business as well, and then you jumble everything together, people don't have clarity as to what exactly it is you're selling. Whether you're selling shoes, bags, or electronics. So there has to be a distinction to give your potential customers clarity. So the second reason why people tend not to buy your products is that you don't know your target audience. So what do I mean by target audience? You don't know the people that you are selling to. You don't know the people that are supposed to be your customers. Your target audience are the people that are in need of something or have a problem, and whatever it is that you are selling is a solution to their need or their problem. Now, these people, what kind of people are they? Are they men? Are they women? Are they children? What age group do they fall within? Do they fall between 18 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45? Where can you find them? Do they live in this location or in that location? Are they working people? Are they business people? Are they mothers? Are they fathers? So you need to know and understand your target audience. Even if you don't have a full view of what they look like, you should have an idea of the people that you want to sell your products to. So let's take an example for handbags again. Let's say someone who sells 100% leather bags for women. So this business owner is looking for women, not men, because they are definitely going to be selling handbags. Women carry handbags. So there are different kinds of handbags, but this person in particular sells authentic 100% leather handbags. So this person will be looking at a female within a certain age range, because a 100% authentic leather handbag will not come cheap. It will come at a certain price point. This price point, which age of women can afford these kind of bags? The kind of women that carry these kind of handbags, where can I find them? Will they be working women or will they be mothers? Will they be women of a certain social standing? So all these kind of things, you have to consider them. You can't market an Italian leather handbag for women to an 18-year-old girl. She's not going to see the value. She's not going to appreciate it in whatever way. If you understand what I'm trying to say. The third reason why people are not buying your product is poor branding. So you don't brand your products properly. Branding is very, very important. Branding goes a long way in business. So your brand is how you communicate what your business is about and the values of your business to your customers and your potential customers. And how you present your brand to the world is very, very important. So you have people who have businesses or who run businesses and they don't have proper branding, and they're just like, I just want to sell, let me make the sale, I'm making money's just coming for me. I just want to this, that. The thing is that in a world where there are so many businesses, let's take the fashion industry for example. There are so many people that sell clothing for different kinds of people, be it male, female. There are so many people that sell the different kinds of clothing that women wear and men wear as well. As a brand, your brand is how you differentiate yourself from other people, because even if you are selling the same thing with others, your brand is what makes you different. And branding includes several things. It includes how your business is being run. It includes how you present yourself to people, how you present your business to people. It includes how you package your products. It includes how you deliver your products to your customers, and so many other things like that. Branding is very, very, very important. And if your business is not branded properly, you can be losing customers that way. There are customers that are loyal to certain brands. Let's say, for example, you go to the supermarket and you go to the aisle where they sell dairy products, and you see the milk they have, the wide range and wide variety of milk that is for sale. Majority of the time you find people gravitating to one particular brand because that is the brand of milk they have used for several years. So many years. And nothing is going to make them change. Even if the next milk beside that particular milk is a better milk or a better quality, they're still going to stick to this particular milk that they've been using for these number of years because it's called brand loyalty. They are loyal to that brand and they're not going to use any other kind of milk except that brand. And why? Because the manufacturers of that milk have taken their time to brand their milk properly, to put certain ideas about their milk in their customers' heads and their prospective customers' minds. That is what they want. That is what they want to have. So branding is very important. You need to brand your business properly. You go on Instagram to go and look up a business, and when you get there, a business is supposed to sell leather handbags. You find them posting pictures of leather handbags, and they're posting fabric, they're posting jewelry, or they're posting things that are not necessarily relevant on the page. And the customer comes on there and they're like, okay, what's going on here? And it makes them uncomfortable because no matter how little or how much the price of your products are, customers want to give their money to people that they can trust. So when your brand message is not aligning, they can't trust you to give you their money. It's that simple. The fourth reason why people are not buying your products is unorganized sales channels. So what do I mean by unorganized sales channels? You may be running your business online and you may be running your business physically in a storefront. Whether it's online or in a storefront, it's not organized. You know, for example, if you have a storefront, your customers come to your store and they don't really understand what's going on. They have so many question marks in their heads and they're wondering, you know, where did I step into? And if you're running your business online, customers go to your website. Your website they can't navigate your website very easily. It's not loading properly. It's, you know, just all over the place. Or they go to your Instagram page and your Instagram page is just all over the place. And they're like, what's going on here? I would rather step away and go and meet another vendor or another business that can give me whatever it is that I'm looking for. And the last reason why people are not buying your product is inefficient marketing effort. So what do I mean by inefficient marketing effort? You know, you talk about marketing and the first thing that comes to people's mind is Instagram. Post pictures on Instagram. Post pictures, post pictures, post pictures. There's more to marketing than posting pictures. There's more to marketing than running ads. There are several ways in which you can market your business other than posting pictures consistently on Instagram and running ads on Instagram. Not that those are not good, they are good, but there are other ways in which you can market your business efficiently that can bring you customers. I don't want to go into the different ways of marketing your business because I have like several videos about that on my channel. If I do that here, it's going to make this video too long, but you can click the link in the description for those videos to see how you can market your business effectively. But if you're marketing your business properly, people are not going to buy whatever it is that you have to sell to them. So marketing is very, very important, and marketing has to be consistent. You have to consistently market your product every single time. Even you yourself, the business owner, can by yourself market your business in several ways. So my video for today is done. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon. Bye.